The Audi TT may be gone, but its spirit is far from finished. Enter the Audi TT 2028, an all-new electric sports car previewed by the striking Audi Concept C. While officially still a concept, this sleek two-seater offers a clear look at a production-bound roadster, designed to usher Audi into a bold new era of performance and design. The Concept C debuted last fall with dramatic proportions, sharp surfacing, and a minimalist cockpit, signaling a major shift in Audi's styling language. When the production version arrives, it will effectively replace the beloved Audi TT, which ended its run after the 2023 model year. Although Audi has not confirmed the final name, this car is widely expected to serve as the TT's spiritual successor and a new halo model for the brand. This new sports car matters because Audi needs it. The brand has faced declining sales, public missteps, and the quiet disappearance of aspirational models like the TT and the R8. Without a true performance flagship, Audi's lineup has felt incomplete. CEO Gernot Dellner has reportedly referred to the upcoming Roadster as a TT Moment 2.0, emphasizing its importance in revitalizing Audi's image when it launches, likely around 2027. Underneath the dramatic bodywork, the TT successor is expected to ride on a platform shared with the next-generation Porsche 718, Boxster, and Cayman. Originally conceived as an EV-only architecture, recent reports suggest Porsche is adapting it to support combustion engines as well. If true, Audi could benefit from the same flexibility, though the company has so far positioned the Concept C-inspired model as fully electric. As revealed, the Concept C uses a rear-wheel drive layout, a notable shift from the all-wheel drive setups many associate with Audi performance cars. However, it would be surprising if a production version didn't offer Quattro all-wheel drive as an option. Audi's iconic system was standard or available on both the TT and R8, and its absence would be hard to justify. There are also rumors of a digital gearbox that simulates gear changes, aimed at adding emotional engagement to the electric driving experience. When it comes to competition, the Audi TT 2028 will enter relatively uncharted territory. Currently, there are no two-seat electric sports cars on sale in the United States. By the time Audi's Roadster arrives, Porsche's electric 718 models should be available, and Tesla may finally deliver its long-promised second-generation Roadster. Still, Audi's rivals will likely span a mix of traditional sports cars and high-performance EVs, rather than direct one-to-one competitors. Of course, there are risks. Porsche's electric sports car program has reportedly faced delays, and Audi could encounter similar challenges. Even if the TT successor launches on schedule, an electric two-seater may struggle to win over traditional enthusiasts. If sales disappoint, the car could face a shorter lifespan than Audi hopes. Assuming development stays on track, the Audi TT successor is expected to reach showrooms in 2027. Pricing remains a mystery, but with the last TT starting around $55,000 and the R8 soaring well past $160,000, this new model will likely land somewhere in between. Expect a price that flirts with six figures, reflecting its role as Audi's next great sports car statement. Beyond performance, the car's design influence may ripple across future Audi models, shaping interiors, lighting signatures, and proportions. If executed well, the TT successor could restore emotional appeal to the brand, proving electric sports cars can still feel special, desirable, and unmistakably Audi in an increasingly competitive electrified marketplace for fans old and new alike worldwide seeking excitement beyond mere transportation in the coming years.